Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Let's learn math with me. Today I'm going to show you how to solve linear equation using backtracking method. Do you remember BODMAS rule? B is for bracket, D is for division, M is for multiplication, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. Okay, so in this operation, it involves subtraction, multiplication, addition, bracket, and also we have division. So if we follow the BODMAS rule or the BODMAS sequence, we have to solve anything inside the bracket first. Okay, so in this case 7 plus 3, so over here we have 10. 7 plus 3 is 10, and then so 3 here minus 2 times 4 is 8 plus, we cannot plus 10 because we have divide here, therefore we have to solve the division first. 10 divide 5 is 2, and 3 minus 8 is negative 5 plus 2, so we get the final answer is negative 3. That's about the BODMAS or the sequence that we have to follow when solving computation involving multiple operations. When solving linear equation using backtracking method, we are going to reverse the sequence. Okay, for example, we have x plus 3 equals to 7. The process is x plus 3 equals 7. So when we do the reverse, the reverse process is 7 minus. Instead of plus, from 7 you start from 7 minus 3 equals to 8. So x equals to 7 minus 3, or x equals to 4. Let's look at second example. Okay, we have m minus 2 equals to 6. So the operation is, or the process is, m minus 2 equals 6. So the reverse process is 6 plus 2, or 6 add 2 equals to m. So m equals to 8 in this case. Alright, now let's look at a more complex problems. We have operation involving multiplication and division. Number 1, we have 2x minus 3 equals to 7. The process is, now over here we have 2 multiplied x minus 7. So actually x, focus on the variable first. We start with the variable. In this case the variable is x. So x multiply 2 followed by minus 3, or subtract 3 equals 7. So the reverse process is 7, instead of subtract we add 3, then followed by, instead of multiply we divide 2. So x equals to 7 plus 3 divide 2. So we get 10 divided 2 is 5.
You can write division like this, but it is preferable to write in ratio form or in the form of fraction like this.
That's how we do the reverse process or the backtracking method. Question number 2. We have 4 minus 3y equals to 16. So focus on the y first. Focus on the variable first. So here we have y multiply negative 3. Consider the symbol in front here. So y multiply negative 3 followed by here in front of 4 is positive 4, so is addition of 4 equals to 16. So when we reverse the process, 16 subtract 4 and then divide -3. So x equals to 16 minus 4 in bracket divide -3.
So x equals to -4.
Alright, let's look at question number 3. We have 5 minus 2x equals to 11. Now reverse the process. So what do we do first?
In the Bodmer's rule, we multiply 2 and x, and then we plus 5 equals to 11.
So when we do the reverse, we do this first. Yeah, this is plus 5 or positive 5. So when we reverse the process, 11 here, 11 minus 5. So leaving us on this side is -2x. And then, what do we do with the -2? So over here, -2 multiply x. When we reverse, it becomes divide. Yeah. So x equals to 11 minus 5 and divide -2. So the final answer is x equals to -3. Okay. Let's look at question number 4. Now we have -2 plus 3x equals to 13. Okay, so just leave the 3x first. You deal with the -2. So leaving us 3x on the left hand side. Yeah, 3x on the left hand side, and this -2 becomes plus 3 on the right hand side. Sorry, plus 2. 13 plus 2 on the right hand side. So equals to 15. 3x equals to 15. Then only we deal with the 3. Coefficient of x here, 3 here is multiply. So the reverse of multiplication or multiply is divide. So 15 divide 3 equals to 5. Alright, next one. Practice makes perfect. So you have to do more questions to make yourself perfect. Alright, continue with question number 5. Okay, maybe you can pause the explanation, try do it yourself, then continue the video to check the answers. Alright, 3p plus 6 equals to 15. Reverse the process. 3p equals to 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. 3p equals to 9. So p equals to, we divide. When we reverse the process on the right hand side, 3 becomes divide. 9 divide 3 equals to, p equals to 3. Okay? Is that clear? Okay, next one. 4k plus 5 equals to 17. Alright, so we reverse the process. Which one do we do first? 4 or 5? You deal with 5 plus 5. So it becomes 17 minus or subtract 5. Then 4k equals to 12. And then 4k is 4 multiply k. You reverse the multiplication, it becomes divide. 12 divide 4. So k equals to 3. Okay, I think this is the last one. Last question for today. We have a little bit different here. It's a fraction. So 3k minus 1 over 2 equals to 4. Alright. So which one do you do first? You deal with minus 1 or you deal with 2 here? Now remember, 3k minus 1 is a whole. You must consider this as a whole thing. It's like a bracket here. Over here is like a bracket, like that. So remember, in BODMAS, you do bracket first and then only followed by division, then multiplication, addition, and followed by subtraction, the last one. So here you do the bracket first and then followed by division. Over here, bracket and divide 2. Then when we reverse, we do the division first. Yeah, you do the division first. So it becomes, so 4 times 2 is 8. 3k equals to 8 plus 1. 3k becomes 9 divide 3. So k equals to 3. Can you get that?
That's all for now.
Let's learn math with me. And thank you for watching. If you find this video benefits you, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.